Hi. Would you ask your mom to come out for a minute, please?
Hey, Mom, it's for you. What?
Happy anniversary. Now, I know you may hate this gift, or you may think it's really selfish, but I realized I don't want to ride alone. I really don't. I was gonna make it, I don't want no civil war, but I thought this was a little more to the point. What is this?
Happy anniversary to you.
Is it a divorce in a box?
No, they don't make those. I checked. I got this so I could ride bitch.
I never knew you wanted to join me.
You never asked.
Suit up. I'm taking
Wait,
you out.
now?
Yeah, right now.
Oh, no, now, no. We got a whole spread, like a takeout.
I don't care. I'm taking you out for a steak dinner. Come on, suit up. Millie, eat the food. I'm taking your mom out.
Okay, just give me a second.
Climb in. You're doing so well. Exactly. It's like a chair,
Oh, wait.
but much harder.
Just-
Thank God you thought of this, because I'll be honest, with a head as hard as yours, I forgot to get a helmet.
Yeah,
I
give me
didn't think
that.
about it.
Don't go till I'm ready, till I know you're going.
Okay, there you go. Okay, never seen anything cuter. You're like the cutest cosmonaut there ever was.
Okay, what do I hold on to?
Me and your life.